Hi, this is the first Wales Mental Health and Wellbeing Forum conference. We've had a fantastic day. There's so much conversation.
So the conference is all about bringing together professionals, carers, service users and the third sector to talk about how we can use lived experience more in our services to improve the lives of people living in Wales. We've got a whole host of speakers lined up, professionals and people who have experiences themselves to share with everyone, and some really exciting breakout group topics as well.
What has been really nice today is having such a range of people. So there's been faces that I've known for years, and I've met loads of new faces as well, but really centering the voices of people with lived experience.
It was fantastic to hear from Andrew Jenkins, and it's just so inspirational to hear from people who have gone through their mental health journey. I think that really struck a chord with a lot of people.
Today I spoke about my journey, my personal struggle with mental health for over 20 years, and also I give hints and tips on how to people on how they can overcome if they're struggling with mental health.
It's been an amazing day today watching this event really come to life, and the mix of lived experience and professionals in the room coming together and working together to have really positive and collaborative conversations.
People with lived experience should be used a lot more. You get people to talk to you with lived experience, then get them to open up and start talking. Once they do that, then pass on the specialist, do their job, then pass them on to a psychologist, a counsellor, whatever they need.
My personal highlight so far has been one of our former forum reps sharing her experiences of going from being in employment to being a forum rep to experiencing services and then getting her dream job at the end of it.
We've already had some fantastic feedback about how well the day's gone. So I think now we'll go from strength to strength.
We've had a fantastic time, we've had an amazing turnout, we've had some fantastic conversations, and we've also got the forum now into a place where they can plan their work programme for the next year.
I think it's a lot of hard work, but when you arrange something like this, to know that people have really got a lot from it, and that these conversations can take place going forward.